Alright everybody, so today we are going to unbox and take a look at this 100-watt fast charger from Cirtek. They actually sent this to me over the weekend. I finally got a little bit of time to review it. This is, from what I can tell, a pretty nice charging block, a fast charging block that you can do USB-C, you can do USB-A. And the total output it can put out is 100 watts. So before I get started, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys on Amazon where you can find this. So this is the Cirtek. Let me turn up my brightness on my phone so you can actually see it. So this is the 100-watt fast charging block, again up to 100 watts. I'm gonna kind of scroll down to some important stuff on here that I've found. So you can actually charge your MacBook Pro if it has USB-C on this. So that's pretty cool. Comes with a 4.9 foot cable, so that's also pretty cool. So pretty much it's really compatible with several different devices, anything from Android to iPhone to whatever you may have. So again, the max output is 100 watts right here. The top port is going to put out 65 watts. The one right below is going to put out 35. And then it kind of goes down from there depending on your usage. But if you're using just one, that's if you're using two ports at the same time. If you're using just one, you'll get the full 100 watts. And then of course, if you're using all four ports, then it's going to kind of decrease. So without further ado, let me go ahead and unbox this real quick. So this is the box that it came in. You know, it has the 100-watt full speed charging. It has like over voltage protection, so I know a lot of people are worried, like, is this going to harm my smart device, things like that. According to them, it has protection where it won't do that. Automatic matching current, so if you have multiple devices plugged in, things like that, then you don't really have to worry. It's going to automatically know which way to push it. Some details on it. Again, it comes with a USB-C cable, a pretty long cable, almost 5-foot cable. Again, 100-watt fast charge. That the typical fast charger is about 25 watts. So you're getting 4 times the amount of wattage on that. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, let's take a look at this. Let me grab my little knife so I can hopefully cut this open. Hopefully that worked. There's actually a little sticker tag here. I'm guessing I could have probably just used that. Nope, it didn't work either. There's a sticker here too. Alright, maybe that made it easier. Little plastic covering. So this is definitely a bigger block than you're going to be used to. It almost looks like the charging block for like a MacBook Pro, maybe just a little bit smaller. But yeah, I mean, it looks pretty similar aside from there being obviously ports. So again, there's the USB-C, the top, the number 1, USB-C number 2, USB-A number 1, USB-A number 2. So essentially that's where you would plug in your devices, your cables. What I like about this is whenever this flips out, that makes it way more convenient if you're traveling. You can kind of just throw that in your bag without it poking through your bag. I mean, you shouldn't have a cheap bag where it pokes through, but you know what I mean. So that's pretty cool. So let me kind of plug this in here to my little Anchor charger, which is also a fast charger. And then what I'm gonna actually do is plug in my devices. So I have a 1 Plus fast charging block right here. So this charge is pretty fast as is. And then of course I have like the iPhone ones. But for the sake of what I'm trying to do, I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the USB-C here. Now it's supposed to come with one in the box, so actually there's the cable in the box. So yes, this is just about a 5-foot cable. So it's gonna kind of give a little bit of A little bit of instructions, I guess. Probably tell you way less than what I just told you. Has a little 1-year warranty card if you care about warranty. So this is my little OnePlus cable, so I'm gonna unplug that. And I'm gonna go ahead and plug this cable in. If I can get it out of this twist tie. All right, so that's a pretty long cable, like I said. So that's pretty neat, because most packaging comes with like a short 3-foot cable. So it's at 40%, my phone is right now. So right away, what stands out, it does show that it is fast charging. Super fast charging is what they call it. So if you take a look at my phone here, I'm at 40%. Shows super fast charging cable connected, so it just went to 41%. So I should be getting a full 100 watts of charging through this right now. Full charge will last about 2 days and an hour. That's not really what I care about. I want to see how fast it'll charge. So we'll kind of leave that plugged in. We'll kind of see where that goes. I'm going to plug in my other USB-C cable. And then I'm going to plug in my iPad and see if there's any big difference. So here's my iPad. It's currently at 49%. All right, so it's already at 42. So it's gone up 2% in a matter of like a minute or so. So that it is charging it pretty quickly. Again, now that I've put 2 cables on this charging block, it's gonna slow down just a little bit, but as you notice, it still does show a super fast charger is connected. So it's still gonna charge it pretty quickly. So I mean, based off of just a few, about 60 seconds or so, it is charging like way quicker than like a normal charger. I do feel that it definitely slowed down quite a bit now that I have 2. Oh, well, now it's at 43. So what, like a 2-minute span, it's gone up 3%. So that's pretty neat. My iPad's still at 49%. But nonetheless, I mean, that's ridiculous for it to charge that fast. I do have a MacBook Pro with like a 93 or 97 watt fast charger or something like that. And that sucker charges fast as well, but it's not 100. So unfortunately, it's not USB-C, it's a MagSafe, so I can't really test that out for you guys right now. But I want to at least test these 2 out and kind of show you. So just at like a quick review, wow, it's already at 44%. So the good thing about Androids is you can kind of go to this setting right here in the battery and see how fast it's charging and know that it's on a super fast charger. So that's pretty cool. I think this would be very beneficial for people that, you know, need to get a quick charge in the morning, or if you have several devices and you want to charge them all at the same time really quickly. It's definitely going to be beneficial for you. Definitely recommend checking out my link in the link below of this video, and I'll have a direct link to this product on Amazon. So if you go in there, check it out. I don't have any coupon codes or anything like that, but I did see like a little discount thing when I was trying to look at how much it was. So go ahead and check it out. Again, it's going to be in the link below. Tell me what you think if you do get it, or if you have something better, let me know. And until next time.